All right, well, don't really mind whatever's happening here. Okay, I never talk, but I am going to try my dear love Meredith's techniques. I would never do this only because I really don't know how to. Oh, God. This is my tinted moisturizer. I was going for this because I was hoping that it's not as dark as foundation. Okay, I did a lot for me. Should I do more? I don't know how to do this. Okay. Oh, God. Okay, ready? Oh, she does like a thing. She does like a thing. Okay. What the hell am I doing? Selena Marie. I feel like I don't even feel like this is my color. This is a disaster, but whatever. Why am I doing this? Okay. What am I supposed to use? Wait, am I supposed to use all of it? Uh, okay. Oh no. This is so not even my color, you guys. I feel like I could redeem this. This is so much. Okay. Not too bad. Okay, I'm pretty happy, but I'm gonna do more because I'm trying to get, I want it to be weirder, but it's all right for now. Actually, I don't know. I'll just do this. I'm going in with another layer. I'm trying to put as much as possible on, but I'm not like completely mad at it. That's my thing. Still not mad. It's definitely a lot. That's my results. That was really, I didn't do it right. All right, well, maybe I'll finish this and show you the end result.